Yeah, today is farm day and I'm checking on my bees as well. Oh, look at this little sunflower. Looking amazing. Okay, oh, wow. I've really taken some time without checking on my bees, and like you can see, it's becoming a serious bush here. I can hardly check on my bees and now they're doing. Oh, sorry for them. Look at these. I've really abandoned them. I think I'll get some time, see how I can clear this place up, and I'll be back so I can make a good inspection on these bees. Otherwise, they're a bit stubborn now. They may give me an attack. Let me leave this place. All right.